What steps do I need to follow to recover my WhatsApp account if I lost my SIM card?
Hello, dear viewers. Today, we'll be discussing a very crucial topic: how to recover your WhatsApp account even if you've lost your SIM card. Losing a SIM card can be a stressful experience, but fear not, we're here to guide you through the process step by step.
Why is a SIM card important for WhatsApp?
Your phone number, which is linked to your SIM card, serves as your unique identifier on WhatsApp. When you change your number or lose your SIM card, it might seem tricky to recover your account. However, there's a procedure to help you regain access.
Can I recover my WhatsApp account without a SIM card?
Yes, you absolutely can. You just need to follow a specific set of steps, and we're going to walk through them together. Remember, these steps must be followed as soon as you realize you've lost your SIM card.
What steps do I follow to recover my WhatsApp account?
Here's your action plan. 1. Contact your service provider. As soon as you lose your SIM card, get in touch with your service provider. They will deactivate your lost SIM and issue you a new one with the same number. 2. Install WhatsApp on your new device. If you don't already have WhatsApp on your device, download it from your device's application store. 3. Verify your number. Open WhatsApp, agree to the terms of service, and then verify your old number, now associated with the new SIM. WhatsApp will send a verification code to your number. Enter this code in the application. 4. Restore your chat history. After successful verification, WhatsApp will give you an option to restore your chat history from your last backup. Click on Restore, and your old chats will be back on your new device. 5. Complete the setup. Finally, enter your name, and you're good to go. And there you have it. You can indeed recover your WhatsApp account without the original SIM card. While losing your SIM can be a hassle, these steps ensure that you can get back on track with your WhatsApp account quickly and efficiently. Always remember, your phone number is a crucial part of your WhatsApp identity. Protect it like you would any other personal information. Happy texting, and we hope this video has been helpful.